Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 10 of the exercise 17.4. This exercise is continued. So we already done 5 questions. You can have a look at the previous video. A school auditorium is 40 meter long and 25 meter wide. And this auditorium is surrounded by a veranda that is 4.5 meter wide. Find the area of the veranda. So this is a school auditorium and it is surrounded by a veranda. So you have to find the area of this veranda. So the length of the auditorium that is given, we can write here, that is 40. Long means 40, this one, the length, and the width is, wide means the width is given as 25. So the new length will be, that will be, because it is said, but is surrounded by a veranda, means this is the auditorium. This is the auditorium and it is surrounded by a veranda. So the new length is going to be, this will be, that is 4.5 meter wide. So from here 4.5, from here and here, that is all 4.5. So the length will be this 4.5 and this 4.5, means this is the length. So in this is included and this part is included. So that will be 2 into 4.5. So 40 is already there, and plus 2 into 4.5, that will be 40 plus this 9. So that will be 49 meters. So this is the new length. Again the width also same, where 25 is there, and plus here again the width also, because it is surrounded by, they said 4.5 meter. So this also should be the same. So this will be 25 plus 2.5, this 2 into 4.5, that will be 9, that will be 34 meter. So this is done with the new length and the new width. So we want the area of the veranda. So what we'll see? We'll see the area of the, we want to see the area of this auditorium. So that will be length into width. So we have to include this one, these two, 40 into 25, that will be 1000. And area of the auditorium and veranda means this whole thing. So what will be this area? So we have done the new length and the new width. So 49 into 34. So that will be 1666. So we want just this part. So we can say area of the veranda, that is area of the auditorium and veranda minus area of the auditorium. Only we want the area of the veranda. So that will be, we got here 1666 minus this 1000. So it will be 666 square meter, because that is the area. Find the area of the shaded region in the following figure. So this figure has been given and we want this and this thing. We want the area of the shaded region. So length of the rectangle, now let us see, this is a rectangle. So here the length is given, which why can you say that is 20 and this is 13. So definitely that is going to be a rectangle. So length is 20 and the breadth is 13. So area of the rectangle, that is length into breadth, that will be 20 into 13, that will be 216 square meter. So the vertical part length, now what will you see? The vertical means the standing one, this one, this is the path. So that is 2 meter and this is the horizontal one. And in between, this is the intersection, this small one. This is a square. Why we can say that is a square? Because this also is 2 and this also is 2. So this part is 2 means, this also 2 means this is going to be a square. This is the intersection. So let us see that later. So vertical part area means here how much is that? 2 into this part is, the width is this one, 13. So we can say 2 into 13, that is 26. And the horizontal again here, this part, this is the horizontal. So that is going to be 2 into, this is the horizontal here, this is 20. So that will be 2 into 20, that will be 40 square meter. So area where parts intersect, this, as I told you, this is the area which the path is intersecting here. So this, both the side, it is 2 into 2. So this side also, this is 2 and this side also is 2. So that is a square. So you know that area of the square, that will be side square, that will be 2 into 2, that will be 4 square meter. So these things are done. So now what will you see? Total area of the parts, that will be what? This 26 plus this 40, and from this one we are going to subtract this one. See here, we are going to subtract this part from this 2. So what we can say, 26 plus 40, this is a vertical plus this horizontal. From that you are going to subtract this minus 4. So that will be 62 square meter. So now we want the area of the shaded region, that will be area of the rectangle, the outside part, minus the total path area. So that is going to be area of the rectangle. We got this as 260 minus the total path area, that is we got as 62. So that will be 198 square meter. So now this is the figure given. So now we can see we want the area of the shaded one, this one. So now you can see we have to subtract, this is the rectangle, from this one we want this area of this one. So we have to subtract this two to get this area. So now let us see first thing the length of the area. Oh, sorry, that is the rectangle, that is 18. The breadth is given this one, 6 plus 4, that is going to be 10. And we want the area of the shaded, this one. So area of the triangle. So we can say, or we can just keep this thing at the side first. So what we can write here, area of the triangle. So this triangle we can consider this one. So this will be half into, can you see this triangle? So this will be, this we can call as triangle 1, and this we can call as triangle 2. So I have called this as triangle 1. So this will be, this is a right triangle. So which is the base of this one? So base is 10 here, and this is the height of it. This is given separately. This is the height of it. So we can say half into 10 into 6. So that will be 30. 2 ones are 2 5s are. That is going to be 30 square centimeter. So now let us see the area of this triangle. So now we can see this is 10, and this whole part is given as 18. So this part, only this part, that is going to be 8, and this whole part, this is the height of it, that is going to be 10. So what we can write here, that will be 8 into 10, half into 8 into 10, that is going to be 40 square centimeter. And the area of the rectangle means this length into this breadth is 10. So that will be 18 into 10. So that will be 180 square centimeter. So area of the shaded region will be area of this rectangle minus, you are going, this one is a rectangle, from this one you are going to subtract this area of triangle 1 minus area of triangle 2. So we can also write this one minus, and then we can put this in a bracket, and but here you have to put a plus sign. That means this is minus area of this triangle minus this one, minus plus becomes minus area of, you can do anyways. So we got the area of rectangle as 180, triangle 1 is 30, and the triangle 2 is 40. So we can write here 30 plus 40, but minus, and this bracket is important if you are writing here plus. So this will be 180 minus this 170, so that will be 110 square centimeter. Now this figure is given, they have asked the shaded one. So now we can see this is 2 and this is 1. And this is the breadth is given as 42, and this length is given as 54. So we can write here, this is the outer one rectangle, and this is the inner rectangle. So length of outer rectangle, that is 54 meter. The breadth of outer rectangle, this is 42 meters. So area of the outer rectangle, that will be length into breadth. So 54 into 42, that is going to be 2268 square meter. So the length of the inner rectangle, that is given, the inner one. Now see here, how to see the inner one. Now you can see this is the length of it. I'll just show you again. This is the length of it. From this 2 meter and this 2 meter is gone. That will be 4. So from this 54, that 4 is gone. That is going to be 50. And the breadth. Breadth means this is 1 and this is 1. So from this 42, this 1 plus 1 becomes 2. So from this 42 minus 2, that is going to be 40. So again, I write here 54 minus 4, that is going to be 50. So the new one will be, that's the inner one will be 50 and 40. So the area again we'll see for the inner rectangle, that will be length into breadth. You are going to multiply this one. So that will be 2000 square meter. So area of the shaded region will be area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. That will be 2268 minus 2000. That will be 268 square meter. Now a picture is painted on the cardboard 11 centimeter long and 8 centimeter wide, leaving margin of 1.5 centimeter along each of the sides. So this figure, and you have to find the total area of the margin. So this figure was not given, so I have made the figure for the better understanding. So this is a cardboard. It's painted on a cardboard. So this one we can just say that this is a rectangle. Why? Because it is long 11 and this is 8 centimeters wide. So we can put this one. This is painted on a cardboard, and leaving a margin of this one means here this is a margin. This is will be 1.5 centimeter each of its side. So here this is the margin. So we have to find the total area of this margin. So we have to find this one. So now what we can do here, we can write here length of the outer rectangle, that is 11. Then the breadth of the outer rectangle, that is given as 8, because this is given as 8. So area of the outer rectangle, length into breadth, that will be 11 into 8. That will be 88 square centimeter. Then we'll see whether this also is a rectangle, that is the length of the inner rectangle. So now we'll see this one. This is the length of it, because now this is 11. So from that one, 1.5 plus 1.5, that will be 3. 11 minus 3, that is going to be 8. And same here, 1.5 and here 1.5, that is the breadth of it. So 1.5, 1.5 is 3. From here also goes 3. So this is going to be 5. So the inner one will be this 5 and this will be 8. So can you see here, this 8 and this 5. So the area of the inner rectangle, that will be length into breadth, that will be 8 into 5, that is going to be 40. And we wanted the area of the margin, that is the area of the outer rectangle minus area of the inner rectangle. That will be 88 we got for this one, and this minus 40. So that is going to be 48 square centimeter. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.